Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, T-Star Bakings. Today I will be showing you how to transfer a fully decorated buttercream cake to another cake board. It's quite simple. As you can see, this is a twin cake, but then let's just move straight into it. Firstly, I brought my board because this is a twin cake, so I am transferring the fully decorated cake onto a bigger board. You also need your cake to be completely freezed so as to not destroy the cake and so as to easily transport it to another board. As you can see, I transferred it safely and carefully with my palette knife. Again, your cake has to be completely freezed. I'm using my palette knife and then scraping around the cake so it loosens up, and after it is loose it will easily lift from the board, and then you can proceed to transfer it to your original board. And as you can see, I'm also using the palette knife to position my cake to the place I want and then carefully removing it from the bottom of the cake. So that is it, guys. It is very simple, and this is a twin cake. I hope you do stay tuned for the rest of the decoration, which I will be posting very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and if this is your first time on my channel, then please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. And please comment down below in the comment section if this really helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.